So in this one, we're going to dive right in. So I got this package in the mail the other day, and I was asked what my thoughts on this was. So we opened it, and I seen what was inside. We thought it was like an Amazon package. I know you guys don't have that problem, right? And I've not pulled these boxes out of the bag until now. So what I have is a new bore scope from Depstech. And I don't even remember what these are. XO0 or X003. Yeah, I'll get it right in the title. So yeah, we're going to unbox these and see what's in here. So when you open them up, I got a black one and I've got a yellow one. So the yellow one's kind of cool. And so what these are is, if you guys know, I've got my Depstech. It's got its own screen and everything, and these are plugged into your phone. Now the problem I see here is I'm not going to be able to give a real good review because that's the lightning end for iPhone, and I don't have an iPhone, so I can't even plug those into my phone right now. So I'm gonna have to look, see if there's an adapter or something, get those plugged into my phone. So give me just 1 second. The end here does look a lot like the end on my Depstech camera that I have. This is one that I bought. I own this one. I'm really happy with it. It does have a side camera, which this doesn't have. But we're going to see how well this one works. Because I'm not an iPhone person. I'm an Android person. I went and swiped my mom's phone. So, okay, when you plug it in, that comes up. And hold on, I gotta unlock mom's phone here. You're watching me struggle with an iPhone. Okay, so it comes up and asks you to go to the app for this. We're gonna get that. Okay, there we go, I got it working now. Let's turn it like this is it. Alright, so camera looks really good. Everything's proportional. There's no weird fisheye or nothing like that. We'll see if I can record this. If I was on my phone, I'd be able to record the file and send it to where I could pop it up here and screen for you guys. I'm gonna record it on mom, see if she can send it to me and make it happen. So I'm upside down. There we go. I'm kind of right side up now. There's a settings thing on here. I don't know if it's, you can maybe turn it 180 or who knows. So I do know this, that the little wheel on here is how much do you want the light. So like if you're in a dark area, like I'm gonna close up my hand right here like this. So we'll turn it completely off, and then you can see it come on, and so you dim it using this thumb wheel. So I don't know if they make one of these with the USB-C. I guess I didn't ask and I didn't notice. If you got an iPhone, I'd say this right here, I mean, it's obviously like a third cheaper than this for sure, or not third, it's a third of the price of this. Absolutely, you know, for what I've seen them priced for, these are great. You know, because the picture's good on your phone, or at least on mom's phone anyways. And that's not just me saying that because it's Depstech. I mean, they got like a good stiffness to their end, which I like mine. I bought this before Depstech ever reached out to me. And so Dad ended up getting one that Mom got for him online, and it's got a bad fisheye to it. I mean, not terrible, but it's not as clear. And I will have to say the Depstech cameras, it's a good clear picture. I hope I'm able to get this and actually put it like up here in a corner or something so you guys can see what it looks like while I'm sitting here talking. I'm gonna turn the video off on that now. But it came right up. You got the app popped right up. It sent you right to it. It took me a minute to figure out the iPhone portion of it because it's foreign to me. But yeah, I'm gonna say definitely a good purchase, probably a good gift for the holidays if you know a mechanic or a handyman that needs to be looking down in pipes or down in engine bays or in a wall somewhere or something like that. Sometimes you just can't get to. I personally like the yellow just because it's different. But guys, thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button, help me out. We'll see you guys later.